Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: a valid VPN account and admin access on your PC. Once done, verify your OS version and that you have a stable connection, because slow upload causes handshake failures. Next, download the provider's official client or export the OpenVPN/profile configuration. This ensures correct certificates and server lists. Make sure installer files match your OS architecture. If you prefer built-in tools, save the OVPN or IKEV2 settings where you can find them quickly. Now install and configure the client. Run the installer as administrator so TAP/network drivers install correctly. Drivers enable encrypted tunnels. Once installed, import the OVPN file or manually add server address, protocol, UDP for speed, TCP for reliability, and your username/password or certificate. Configure DNS leak protection and the kill switch to prevent exposure if connection drops. Also choose a nearby server to reduce latency. Once saved, test Connect. Finally, click Connect and watch the client establish a tunnel. You should see a new virtual adapter and connected status. Test immediately by checking your public IP and running a DNS leak test so you know traffic routes through the VPN. Once confirmed, access the services you need. If it fails, restart the client, toggle UDP versus TCP, select a different server, and temporarily disable local firewall or antivirus to isolate the issue. If problems persist, capture the client log and contact support with that log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.